This video tutorial I will cover minus methods of year class. Here I have defined the class year demo 1. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created year object. Then I am calling minus years method of year object and passing 2. So 2 years will be subtracted from year. Here I have defined the class year demo 2. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created year object. Then I am calling minus method and passing 5 and temporal unit as years. So 5 years will be subtracted from year. Here I have defined the class year demo 3. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created year object. Then I have created period object. Period is 9 years. Then I am calling minus method and passing period as 9 years. So 9 years will be subtracted from year.